Alright, I think we're live. Let's go! We got into 86 subscribers and that's really cool. Alright, so I'm gonna do the intro. Well, I think like the stream is has been like started already or something like that. It's not. What am I? Oh. Alright, I think we're live. Let's go. We're actually live right now. So hello there gadgeteers, welcome to another one of these streaming sessions. Today what we're gonna be doing is having a coding session again. Alright, the thing about right now is that I do have to like end the stream quite early, so yeah. I think the last live stream pretty much went really well, but it's kind of like, it kind of sucks because it didn't really get any views. Well, I think that's fine. That's absolutely fine. On the last session, we coded this snare, so we have a working snare right now. That's really cool. And yeah, so we're working with the hi-hat animation because it really looks boring right now. So if I go to drum, that's our hi-hat over there. That looks like a cymbal. So I'm just gonna like copy this and then basically just cut it and put it somewhere else here. Basically, yeah. So here we have this hi-hat and I wanna kinda like animate it. I don't know how to animate it. I'm gonna like figure that out. But for now I can select this and then copy and paste it here. So I just press this button over here to deselect it. And then make some changes about this thing. The changes that I kind of want to make is maybe like tilt it a little bit. Yeah, that looks like tilted, so it's fine. That looks cool. Control Z, and then maybe just copy this and then paste it again right here, and then we're gonna tilt it more. So how do we do that? Let's figure it out. Wow, I'm kind of quiet today. I think it's fine. I think it's because like no one's watching and I could just keep it quiet. Or maybe this freaking music just keeps me like being quiet. Yeah, if there's like music or something like that, it makes me wanna like not talk or something like that. I don't know if that sucks or something like that. Alright, so wait. There are two views right now. So somebody actually like hop in and exited the stream. Alright. So yeah, I think this is good. I guess. Maybe I could like copy this and then move it to the right. Yeah. And then I have to like select this and then delete. And then select this and then copy and then paste it here. Go here, select this thing, delete it. Wait, there's 3 views right now. Holy. Actually, like this kind of music makes me wanna don't talk. Like, I don't know about myself, but the reason that I don't really listen to music that much is, I don't know, like some people like listen to music a lot, but it's not me. I don't really listen to music. And I think it's better for me to talk, guys, right? So I'm just gonna like select this, Control V here, and then flip it sideways. So the animation is gonna be like here when you hit it, and then it's gonna go like this, like this, like this, and like this. Does it doesn't make sense? Like that 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 that. That's kind of like weird. So the animation sequence that I kind of want from this, if assuming that this is from 0, it's gonna be like when I hit this thing, it's gonna go to this thing. This is the idle state, which is number 1, and if I press it, it's gonna go to it's not 4, it's 3. I need to like note this somewhere. All right, so it goes to 3, 2, then go here, which is 0, and go to I think this is 2, and then go back to idle state, which is 1. So when I hit this thing, it's gonna go here to 3, 2, 0, 3, 2, 0, 2, 1. So that's how the animation is gonna happen. Let's go to the drum mode and let's see like, damn. I kinda don't like how they added like a full screen for the code editor. I mean, it's like, it's really handy, but like from all of this space, I think they could have added multiple windows, just like on this space right here. It's kinda like showing your gadget and you could interact with it. It would be better if it's that. but it's not that. Okay, so I think I'm gonna be like ending this stream or at the 30 minutes mark. So yeah, I do have to like make more YouTube videos, so like so I could get like more subscribers. Because the thing that I basically like knew is that these live streams around alone doesn't really produce a lot of subscriber. The thing that is making you the most subscriber count is like the long form videos. Alright, so we have this thing over here. Why can I not? Oh, because like the gadget's running. We have this thing. I'm gonna make a new variable and I'm gonna call this like hat sequence, and then this is gonna be a table, and this consists like the animation for it. Oh, this is gonna be complicated. I know it's gonna be complicated. How do you make like a table again? Is it actually unexpected identifier when parsing expression? In Lua, to make tables, do you actually need like these curly brackets instead of square brackets? In JavaScript, it's different. Yeah, because like, yeah, that actually confused me, but sure. Yeah, to make tables, actually you need curly brackets. So I'm just gonna do that. So if we go here, we have draw screen. That kind of sucks. I kind of want like a separate function. Yes, I kind of want like a separate function from the mode drum to deal with all the animation there are. So I'm just gonna make like a new function. So function, I'm gonna call this, what should I call this? Animation drum. And then I'm gonna put an end here, and we are gonna make it so it deals with all the animation on the thing. So we're gonna put it here, and I think it works if I just put it like at the end of this animation drum. It works perfectly, which means that we could do that. I can just like put a comment here. Deals of animating the animating drum. I think it's self-explanatory, so we don't have to like put any comments to that, so it's fine. So on this animation drum, it deals with like the animation, the heart DT BPM. Oh, it actually like, that's cool. That's actually cool that it actually like, wait, but how? Yeah, coding this thing just like confuses me, because how do you like deal with like, if I'm gonna build a sequencer, it's gonna be really hard to code that, because you need like a timer of some kind to like track of the time for the sequencer. There's like two ways to do that in retro gadgets. The first way that you can do is the delta time, but when reading like the documentation in retro gadgets, it's unreliable. What they recommend instead for music is the DSP on the audio chip. I'm not gonna touch that for now. It's because like it scares me, and like, holy god, code management would be really like, it would probably be hell. Okay, so this deals all with like the, okay, snare, sprite switch, image the drum, 0 0. So I believe this is like the, alright, so this deals with the close hi-hat. So I'm just gonna put like close here. Actually, not you. Control X, Control V here. And boom, we got a close hi-hat. Ooh. Alright. And then now I kind of want this to change if I press it. So instead of hard DT, yeah, this is really confusing. Frame duration, burst, BPM, frame duration. Why is there frame duration here? Oh. I think what's better is we go make this as its own. Like, we have basically local variables where it says local hard frame, local hard DT, to make sure that it's not really colliding with anything else. Is we are gonna do this thing. So first of all, we're gonna make this a, hold on, just the heart related things. We're gonna make this like a block comment, and after that we're gonna make a new variable that's like heart, hold on, animation anim dot, wait, this is kind of hard. Okay, so I'm gonna make a variable called anim, drum anim, and then in this drum anim I'm gonna have a curly bracket, press space, like let's close it for now so we don't have to deal with it later. So inside this like drum anim thing, we can put a heart. Is this how you spell heart? I mean, I guess it's like I spell it like that here. Hold on, I'm just gonna like search for how to spell heart. Yeah, I think that's like basically how you spell heart. So I'm gonna have heart inside of this, and in this heart I'm gonna have drum anim. Maybe I can just like basically just have anim. When I think about this, I can't just like code like this if I wanna add more instruments. Like, let's say instead of a heart, it doesn't work right now. Instead of a heart, I kind of want to like change the kick drum to something else, like to a different sound. Huh. This is interestingly complicated. Damn. Damn. Yeah, this is interestingly complicated. Oh my god. Because like instead of a heart, let's say I will put like a normal kick drum instead of a heart or something like that. Well, of course that kick drum has its own like animation aside from the heart. I can't just like use the heart animation code. Yeah, this is like complicated. We have an anim. Do I want like one drum kit only, or do I want multiple drum kits? Or instead of multiple drum kits, have the user like customize every sound that they want in the drum kit, which is gonna add more complexity on the gadget itself, but at least like it's gonna be really fun to play with, right? So to be able to like approach this is gonna be really hard. For now, I'm gonna have an anim heart. I'm just gonna like drum heart. Yeah, and have local here, and then press space. Inside this, we're gonna go dt is equal to 0 and put a comma, and we have frame duration. Copy this, control V this, and then we're gonna paste this. Just basically just copy and paste things to make the code more readable. Burst is equal to false. I don't know, I forgot. Like I coded this thing for like 4 months ago. I don't know what the hell does that mean, but sure. We have burst, put a comma here, and then essentially, since we have this thing, we need to like deal with other stuff. Like for example, this hard DT is not called hard DT anymore. So if we go up here, it's now called drum heart. Oh, this shouldn't be capitalized. Damn. So go here. We're gonna go like drum, make the H on the heart capital DT, and delete this DT dot DT. And now we're just gonna like basically do that for anything else. I can just like copy and paste actually. Heart DT instead of that, just go drum heart dot DT. Is that correct? I don't care. Is that wait. Heart frame. Wait, where did the heart frame come from? Where did you come from? Where is heart frame? Excuse me? Where did the heart frame come from? I'm very confused. Heart frame. Because we have heart DT, frame duration, burst, and where is heart frame? That's weird. Did I like accidentally like deleted a thing? And now I don't know where it... Yeah. It's really good. Alright, I think like we have 5 more minutes because I'm gonna be ending the stream at like the 30 minutes mark. And I'm already like confused here. Where did heart frame came from? Because like there is nowhere where heart frame is like declared anywhere. I don't want to control Z everything, but I think I just have to do that. Control Z Z Z Z Z Z Z Z Z Z Z Z Z Z Z Z Z Z Z Z Z Z Z Z Z Z Z Z Z. Oh my god. Oh my god, everything's getting deleted. Control Z Z Z Z Z Z Z Z Z Z. Heart frame. Does it work like this? Alright, I'm very confused. Where did this heart frame get declared? I don't see it anywhere. Do I need like a help from our friend Vim? Excuse me, Vim. I wish like there's like a shortcut to enable Vim mode. That would be really cool, you know? Gadgeteers? No, not gadgeteers, like the devs. Are you watching? So I'm gonna be going into the Vim mode and I'm gonna go like heart frame. Press enter and then press N. We should see like a declaration somewhere. Oh, wait, it's here. We actually have it here. Animation drum. Where did you? Wait, I think like, yeah, I accidentally deleted it. Now it's like, I didn't find it, but like, damn, I'm blind. Alright, so we're gonna go back and basically just, I mean, we have 5 views. I think that's like enough, pretty good. It's like it's like doing better than like the last live stream, which only got like 3 views maximum. Yeah, it's going great. So now we are going to have like a very ambitious project to make this like a table. So it's gonna be, for now, freak you. Why not hard? I'm gonna make a variable called hard, and then it's gonna be a type table, and then it's gonna be frame 0. It's gonna be dt0, and then it's gonna be frame duration. And then we're gonna have burst, and then after that, let me comment this out real quick, and then we're gonna go here and basically replace it like this. For example, hard.dt should be hard.dt, and frame duration should be hard.frame duration. Hard.frame. I noticed that frame is capital letter, so that shouldn't be like the case here. Hard.frame f.hard.dt, so it's gonna be hard.dt right now, and then this thing is gonna be hard.frame. Boom. I don't expect it. Okay, I missed a couple more. Like, damn, this is hard. Dot, and then I think that's it. Debug. Did you know that in coding, it takes much more time debugging things than writing down code. So basically, if you are like coding gadgets, most of your time will be like suck on debugging things. On this case, I think I just have to like make this a small letter F and then put a dot on the middle. Oh, it works. Oh my god, that's not how, that's not how it works. Why is it like when I press the hard, it's gonna be like squish, and then it stays like that for a little bit? That something ain't right. Burst. I think burst is the thing that we miss. So heart that burst. Let's see. Oh my god! What the hell? Excuse me? It's kind of broken. So instead of, oh, okay, this thing. Okay, heart dot burst. Does it? It doesn't pump now. Can you pump? All right, there might be another heart dot burst that we need to put. So here, heart dot burst, and then boom, it's fixed. Is it? I think. I don't think that's fixed. So we're gonna hunt down what's doing all of this. So heart.dt CPU delta time, what's happening? Heart.frame image heart.frame. You need like a space here because it's not readable if you don't do that. Heart.frame. Alright, let's like snipe this. As you can see, I'm lost. There is no way I could like because what it's supposed to do is when I press this thing, it's supposed to like beat as like it's like kind of hard to explain right now, but it's not doing the thing that I want to do, which makes sense because these are not changed yet. So I'm just gonna just like heart.dt heart dot small letter F and then rame and then burst into heart dot burst, and then it kind of works right now. Cool. Alright, now we have refactored the code a little bit. Now this is redundant, so I'm just gonna delete it. And for the snare, okay, I think like I have to like end the stream right now. I'm sorry guys, like this is gonna be like a really short stream. I think yeah, for like a week from now on it's gonna be really short. So don't expect like something really long. Just like really short.